This is our dashboard. On our dashboard, you can view the overall stats for the email and SMS messages you've sent. Here you can specify which stats you'd like to see by date range. The data includes how many and what percentage of your messages were delivered, opened, and clicked. You can also see the number and what percentage of your recipients unsubscribed and how many of your emails bounced. Navigate easily through your settings, profile, access rights, and more. Here you can view your profile, manage user access, track your billing and quotas, and more. Click on a user and edit access rights easily. Set user permission for features like building and sending emails and SMS, reviewing and exporting reports, and other advanced options. You can also see an overview of your email and SMS quota balance, and get quick access to your account logs, export them, or filter through them. Manage your databases easily. Import your data via an API integration, SFTP file drop, or manual upload. You can update, manage, and export your list data too. Additionally, you can set up filters, tag your contacts with relevant data, add custom fields, and set up subscription forms. Create your own custom fields. Add your own custom field and choose between a variety of field types to suit your needs. These can be used to map data on imports, to capture custom information via a subscription form or data integration, or even to personalize and customize your customer journeys. Use subscription forms to capture your subscribers' data. Create a form with our easy-to-use drag-and-drop form builder. Fill in your custom fields or use our pre-existing ones. Select which list you want to add this data to. Set it up as a double opt-in form. Create a form expiry date if needed. Add a custom destination URL for form completions and set up notifications to alert you when a form is submitted. Preview your form and publish it. To embed the form on your website, you can use the iframe, HTML, or JavaScript code. Easily segment your messaging through using smart data tools. On the Tag Manager tab, you can view, edit, and add new tags or contacts in your lists. Use these tags to set up filters on your email lists, so you can get really granular with segmentation and send relevant content to your subscribers. If you enable interest-based tagging during the email composition process, Everlytic will use natural language processing, a form of machine learning, to categorize the content your contacts are clicking on within your emails and tag it as an interest. These can also be used as a filter. Building emails has never been this easy. Create emails using one of Everlytic's 5 composition methods, including our easy drag-and-drop builder, the classic WYSIWYG interface, the code editor, via a URL import or upload from a zip file. There are also a variety of pre-designed and mobile responsive templates to choose from for easy selection. Customize your email properties with your subject line, personalization, emojis, inbox preview text, a from name and email address, and a reply to address. Additionally, you can categorize each email into a specific campaign for bigger picture tracking. Use our drag-and-drop builder to add columns and a variety of content blocks to customize your layout and align it to your CI. You can insert buttons, images, social icons, text blocks, dividers, adjustable spaces, and more. Our feature-rich email builder also enables you to use dynamic content in your email. This means you can send specific sections of your email only to certain subscribers in your list, based on their personal data and interests. Just like you'd add personalization to a subject line, you can also personalize content in your email using the data in your lists. Remember to include a fallback option in case these fields are blank for some contacts. Add urgency to your emails using a countdown timer, or use 2 or more images to create a rotating banner that rotates automatically. And add video preview images to your email via a YouTube or Vimeo link. Add attachments to your email too. You can do this by either browsing your computer for a standard file for everyone, by using a dynamic attachment that personalizes each attachment for each recipient, or attach a calendar invite for an event. Preview and test your emails. Check what they'll look like in different inboxes and view your spam score. Once you've designed your email, specify which list you want to send to, other sending settings, and customize your tracking and footer preferences. Ensure all emails are approved by senior management before sending them out, and enable email reports to be delivered automatically after a period of time. Then schedule your message to send at a specific or recurring time. If you have large lists, you can also send your emails out in intervals to ease the impact it may have on your support desk. If it suits your brand, you can also share an online version of your email to your linked social media accounts. Before the final send-off, double-check your message details. From here, you can go back to continue editing or click send. This is what hyper-personalized emails would look like when you use dynamic content. Not sure what content performs best? Use our A/B testing tool. A/B testing enables you to send two versions of an email to a smaller portion of your list to see which one performs best. The winning email will automatically be sent to the rest of your list. To do this, select which parts of the email you'd like to be different. The rest of the A/B test setup will adapt based on this, providing you with two options for the element you're testing. For instance, if you choose to test the subject line and inbox preview text, you'll be able to provide two different subject lines and inbox previews. After creating your emails, choose how to split the list. We recommend splitting it into 3 by the percentages you prefer. For example, 20% of your list could be sent email A and another 20% will get email B. Once the winning email has been determined, it will be sent to the remaining 60% of your list. From here, select which metric you'd like to use to determine the winning email, opens or clicks, as well as how long after sending you'd like to trigger the winning email. Track and assess the results to see which message performed best so you can continuously create better performing emails. Quickly create SMSs and smart SMSs. You can easily create and personalize SMSs in Everlytic. All you do is type out your message and add personalization data from your list. Additionally, you can create smart SMSs, which enable you to add attachments to your SMSs via a link. Browse your files to attach to all SMSs. Share a dynamic attachment that personalizes each attachment with the recipient's data, or attach a calendar event. You can also link to a landing page or an online version of an email that you've sent. From here, you can select the list you want to send to, add filters, customize tracking settings, schedule your send time, and set any sending intervals. You can also send yourself a test. From start to finish, you can send SMSs to any number of recipients in minutes. Set up and send voice broadcasts. Voice broadcasting enables you to send an audio message to contacts via a phone call, either by writing your message for text-to-speech communication or by uploading a pre-recorded audio file. This is great for many purposes, including reaching people who are visually impaired, illiterate, or for sending urgent broadcasts.
Hi there, your eSight smart glasses are ready and will be delivered to you in the next 2 working days. If you would like some assistance, call us at 782-547-5477. Thank you for being a loyal customer. Glasses Optical Store.
Once you've selected your list and confirmed your message, set your delivery options and send. Compose and send web push notifications. Compose web push notifications to send subscribers actionable messages via the internet browsers, even if they're not on your website. Quick, simple, and effective. Create message workflows that send a series of hyper-personalized messages. Workflows are great for automated customer journeys like onboarding, lead nurturing, client retention, and education, as you can guide contacts on a journey that adapts to their specific needs. It also saves time and resources, as you can create your messages once and leave them to provide a personalized experience automatically. You can activate your workflow using a variety of triggers and workflow types. Workflow types include subscription events, e-commerce journeys, anniversaries, once-off start dates, and dynamic datasets. for cases like multiple ticket purchases, when a contact can be in the workflow more than once. You can also select from start events, like when a data field changes for that person, when they click on a link in a message or even open an email, if they unsubscribe from a list, visit a landing page, or click on a link on a landing page. Add delays to your messages or set a send date. Use contact data to set criteria for who will flow down this branch of the workflow. Add messages for a variety of channels, depending on your needs or where the contact is in the journey. These can include email, SMS, voice broadcasting, or push notifications. You can also send your subscriber to a different part of the journey by using a go-to node. This way, you can easily realign the journey to another branch of communication. Additionally, you can update a contact's data if they reach certain points in the workflow or send them to another workflow. Report on every message you send. View detailed reports from opens, clicks, social shares, unsubscribes, click to open, and interaction rates, bounces, complaints, forwards, geolocation, and devices used. All contact activity is trackable and can be used to make data-backed decisions for future communications. You can export engagement data like this to your data warehouse, or use it to segment your list and add or remove contacts from workflows and other automated communications. View reports on your workflows too, tracking both high-level and granular stats, so you can monitor how people engage with your communications. Like email, you can also view delivery and engagement stats on all SMSs, voice broadcasts, and push notifications that you send from the platform. Send high-volume transactional messaging. Everlytic enables you to automatically trigger, personalize, and track high volumes of transactional messaging related to client interactions with your business. This enables you to send time-critical messages like password resets, important alerts, shipping notifications, subscription opt-ins, invoices, statements, payslips, and one-time pins. Get the look you want using our screen-responsive templates and email composer or via our code editor. Then personalize every message content with personalization parameters and dynamic sections. Everlytic's infrastructure can handle incredible volumes at high velocity. Auto-send large, secure attachments with confidence. Aside from email and SMS, you can also send transactional messages via automated voice and web push notification channels, all in one platform. Receive copies of important outgoing emails and send CC or BCC messages too. Send from dedicated IPs when you know your sender reputation and content is solid. Gain insight into how recipients engage with your transactional messages. Collate and organize your messages for clearer monitoring, and categorize and review your email analytics by defined transaction types. Additionally, you can respond to activity via webhooks. But wait, there's more. This is what we've got in the pipeline for a transactional messaging platform in 2022. Domain and spam reports, MTA delivery receipts, advanced request batching, drag and drop email composition, online tracked attachments, with an auto switch option on large attachments, so you send an online version of it instead and trigger a read receipt, advanced testing with an API Explorer and example code wrappers, password protection on PDF documents, PDF composition and personalization, archive transactions and attachments so you can find every transaction ever sent. And Everlytic will be embedded in most common frameworks to support even faster implementation.